Hey guys, so it's another haul video. So I bought a couple of items from Romwe, I think a week back, and I love every single item from them. Romwe is like my favorite site, and I prefer that over Shein because I get the exact same items from Shein, but they are from Romwe and much cheaper. And sometimes I get the exact same Shein tags with every item. So I think basically Romwe and Shein are same. Without much blabbering, I'll get ahead with the haul. So the first thing, the highlighted thing, or the only thing that I wanted to buy from Romwe actually, but I ended up buying heck lot of extra things. So the most excited item of the whole haul is this backpack. So this is kind of a Japanese inspired backpack which has this handle kind of a thing. So this is a backpack, and it has again this tassel. So it has a front chain right here, very chic, very like H&M kind of a design, and the chains or this thing has this kind of a graphic design attached to it. It has this 2 chambers right here which you can like put anything you like, and inside it has like this laptop opening, and I think it also has this headphone kind of an opening, which is really like antique because no other bags like has this. I think Adidas used to give this, but now no bags had this. I think it was for around 800. I will give the exact price somewhere around here. So this is the backpack from Romwe. So the second item I bought, I showed you in my Insta story, is this like facial massager. I'm wearing makeup, so I cannot, like, you would do like this kind of a thing in your face and your neck and your face kind of a slims down. I basically want this one for like facial massaging. This was again for the, like, really cheap. I will mention every price around here, somewhere around here. Again, I think it was for around below 100 rupees. So this was the second item. The third really like Romwe finds was this one. So this is a set of 10 eyelashes. So there were a couple of eyelashes available in Romwe, but none of them were of this good quality. This brand or this product has many different kinds of eyelashes, so I think I chose the natural one or semi-natural one. So this comes in an individual packet, and the lashes are like really like just the same texture as your real lashes. It doesn't comes with a glue, but I really like it's in the number 11, and I think I got this for around 100 to 200 rupees. It has a set of 10, and I really like it. The thing I bought is for my dad, and this is a hair coloring set. It comes with a bowl, it comes with 2 pair of gloves, it comes with 2 pair of combs. It comes with a pair of comb and 2 brushes. So I bought this again from my dad. I think it cost around 100 rupees or 200 rupees, I don't remember. So that was that. And the fourth item I bought is this one, guys. So this is like the pop ring kind of a thing that I have. I bought this for my dad, and my dad took it as soon as I like received the parcel. So this is a tag. I got this for around 70 rupees or 80 rupees. The quality is not that good, but again for 70 rupees it's a really nice quality. That I bought is this eyelash tweezer. This was for around 70 rupees again for applying my eyelashes. So that was that. So the next item that I bought is this brush cleaner. It has this different patterns which you can let me just show you. It has this like different texture which you can like clean your brushes with, and it has also like this suction pad, so you can like attach it onto your bathroom and then clean it, like bathroom wall, and then clean your brushes in it. So it's a really nice like brush cleaner. Again, it was for around 100 rupees or something, I don't remember. So next thing I bought is this like 3 bun set. So it has a big one, it has a medium one, and it has a small one. So this was for around again like 100 rupees or something. So that was that. The next thing I bought is a jewelry. Again, it's from Shein, as I was telling you guys. So this is like, it has like 3 pair of like studs and 3 pair of this long hanging studs. I really like it. So this was for around 100 to 200 rupees. Again, really good quality. I really like it. So that was that. Oh, I bought this eyebrow shaver or eyebrow razor. I have like PCOD, so I have like this sometimes I have this like really bad facial hair problem, so I majority of the times leave it as it is. I sometimes have problem in this part of my face regarding facial hair, and I also use it as like a quick like eyebrow touch up. It comes with a protective case also. It is a set of 3. I think it costs around 300 or something, and this was like really cheap. I don't know, I think it cost like 70 rupees or 80 rupees. This was really cheap. I really like it. So that was that. So next two are this mirrors. So the first one is this pineapple pattern, and it says summertime. It's and the second one is this happy you and me. So basically these are like pocket mirrors. They are of really good quality. It was for around, so one side has this normal mirror and another one has this magnifying mirror. It's a really nice like really cute. You can throw it in your bag. It's a really handy one. I think it costs around 100 rupees or something, or 120 rupees or something. I bought 2 of them, one for me and one for my sister. So that's that. Also, I bought this keychain. So this is again a really nice keychain. It has a mirror. Every girl wants mirror in their life, everywhere. So this one is the keychain. So this has 2 attachments you can attach your keys to. So this is in the unicorn shape, unicorn pattern. So this folds like this. It has like normal mirror and magnifying mirror on the other side. So this is a really nice like keychain. It was for around 100 rupees, I believe. So that was that. So the next thing I bought, guys, is a pair of sunglasses. So these are like the clear sunglasses which are like really trendy nowadays. So this one is in the rose gold color, and I think it costed around like 300 rupees. Again, it had like Shein thing attached to it. So this is the sunglass. It is a really nice sunglass. It is a rose gold color, and it really looks like nice onto your face. It doesn't touch my cheek, which is like every sunglass that I want, because I hate when sunglasses touch my cheek. Like I really hate that, because I have really big face and I want something that doesn't that will not touch my cheek. It is a really nice sunglass. I really like it. It's in the rose gold color. It's for around 300 to 400 bucks, and it comes with a case too, so that's a good buy. And I was seeing the exact same thing in Shein for around 500 rupees, so I got in a bargain. So the next thing I bought is this couple of brush. I think it's a brush set. So I wanted to try some cheap alternative brushes, because I bought I used to buy like cheap brushes, but they are of a very sad quality. But this one seems to be very good quality, and I wanted to try if they are any good, because eyeshadow brushes you need to like toss in like in a ear or something like. So I wanted to try some cheap eyebrow brushes, so I will let you guys know if I like it. So it was for around, I think 300 rupees or 200 rupees. So that was that. I think it has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, I think 10 to 12 brushes. So that was that. So I have this ring set. It has like this 5 rings. So this was for around like 70 rupees or something. So this is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, this is the fourth one, and this is the fifth one. So I only bought the ring for this two, like Egyptian pattern kind of a ring. Every ring is like this Egyptian pattern, so I really like this ring set. It's a gold color, like this real gold color, so I really like that antique gold kind of finish. Again, it has this Shein attachment to it, so buy from Romwe and get the products from Shein in a really affordable price. So that was my tip. So the last thing that I bought, guys, is this keychain, and it's really like really inexpensive. You cannot find this in the street shops as well. So this is from Shein and it says I love you. Again, it's really good quality metal, and this was for around, guess guys, how much price, how much cheap can this be? This was for around 18 rupees. I was really skeptical on how the quality would be, but currently it's for like 19 rupees I think, but I will buy more and I will give it to my friends because this is really cheap, guys. This is really cheap for like 19 rupees. It's like really cheap. So hey guys, that was my Romwe haul. How did you like it? Do you like haul videos like me? Like, I'm a crazy haul fanatic, and that was all of the things that I bought from Romwe. So many of you guys were like asking me about the shipping charges and everything of Romwe. So basically they have this thing, like if you shop above like 3,000 or something, they will not charge you anything, but if you buy below that, there is a standard shipping charge. If you are opting for COD, there is an extra charge, and again security charge, so you have to pay 3 charges, and that easily combines to 400. I think if you are like buying from Shein or Romwe, specifically Romwe, I think costs just add up. So I think the safe bet price would be above 3,000. So that was the price. And again, you can Romwe has COD again like Shein, and what else, the customer service is really nice in Romwe, so you can send stuff because you can return stuffs and not wait that long, because you get your COD order in like 2 to 3 days you order stuff. So I think the return process will be the same. I have not returned any of the Romwe products because I like all of them. So that was my video, guys. How did you like the video? If you liked, guys, do hit on that like button, and if you liked any of the items that I mentioned, do comment down below. And currently I'm running a giveaway which you can check right here. And what else, you can check my previous Romwe video right here, Romwe haul video right here. And if you like more video, guys, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe if you are new to my channel and if you want more of my content. So I will catch you guys in my next one. So bye bye. Can you be my